Please subscribe to my channel. It is free. Click on like. I would love to hear from you, so please comment. Helpful ones I greatly appreciate it. Share with family and friends, and hit the notification bell to be the first to know when I drop my next video. Without further ado, thanks and let's get cooking. Hi everyone. Today we're going to be making the best and juiciest oven roasted lemon garlic chicken. We are going to be using the butterfly or spatchcock technique, where I'm going to cut the back of the chicken off. And this is important because it helps to reduce the roasting time, as well as helping for the heat to be distributed evenly on the surface. So I'm going to take my scissors and cut this straight down. Kind of easy. I mean, you can use a scissors, you can use your knife and a sharp knife. Sometimes it might get kind of stuck. Just have patience. You'll get to it. It always works. Now this is cut. Some people will use this for gravy. I normally don't, so I mean, it depends on your preference. And the chicken has already been cleaned, and I did clean it with lemon juice. And I have a video concerning how to properly clean your chicken, so stay tuned for that one. Okay, that looks very good. And there's some little fat. You might want to take some of it out. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is turn this over, and I'm gonna press on the breast, and that helps to kind of, break the bone between that. And chicken's lay flat. I'm gonna put my wings neat. Oh, this wing's giving me a hard time. Now it's time to season the bird for roasting. You might say, wow, that is a lot of seasoning. You can minus from this, you can add to this. First starting with Lipton onion soup and dip mix. I use this a lot when it comes to roasting chicken or baking my chicken. I'm only gonna use one of the packs. It comes with 2 in the pack. I'm only gonna use 1. It helps to make your chicken very moist. I really like using it. Granulated garlic. I have basil, I have thyme, I have some red pepper flakes from the motherland. I have a video on that showing you how to make that. I have coffee cumin, and this is by Mess and Spices. It includes ground espresso, cumin, kosher salt, parsley, paprika, and granulated garlic. This is my homemade wet season, and I have a video on that as well. This is smoked paprika, of course, black pepper. I have some olive oil in here, minced garlic, and also fresh garlic that I did cut up, and of course the lemon. So let's start. I'm gonna first start with the Lipton soup mix. And I'm gonna put some of that seasoning all inside the interior of it. I'm gonna continue with the granulated garlic. I'm making sure I'm getting all parts. Basil. time. I'm gonna try and get all the dry seasonings first before we get to our wet seasonings. I am gonna put a teaspoon of the coffee cumin, my paprika, red pepper flakes, and next thing is my wet seasoning. It looks good already. I minced garlic, kind of messy, but the end result, you will be pleased with it. We are gonna begin rubbing the seasonings, making sure we get all this nice flavor in the chicken. My black pepper will be one of the last seasoning I'm gonna put on it, along with the chopped garlic. And for the garlic, I did use 8 garlic cloves. I'm gonna put my black pepper. And I'll put black pepper on the opposite side. Garlic. Most of it's going to be on the top layer, but I will be putting some in. Try and put some of the garlic, your fresh garlic, in any openings that you see. That will help a lot with the flavor and the taste. I already sprayed the pan, the rack, with some non-stick olive oil. And I'm also gonna add olive oil to the chicken. I'm gonna start with the lemon. Ooh, nice. And get my teaspoon. We'll start 1 teaspoon first of olive oil. And turn this over. The wing again. This wing does not want to stay put. One more time. If not, hey, it's just gonna stay just like how it wants to be. Okay, then we got it. Okay. I have a lot of the seasoning residue, which I am gonna put over it. I'm gonna again sprinkle black pepper on the top of it. I'll wipe this later. Continue with the lemon. This will make this so juicy. A little lemon seeds. I'm gonna place the remainder of the garlic I'm gonna put some olive oil. And this is gonna reserve for 30 minutes, kind of to let the season kind of settle in before I put it in the oven. The oven's gonna be preheated at 350 degrees. The chicken was close to 6 pounds, so it will be in the oven for like an hour. This technique of the butterfly, it should roast quicker. Usually it should take like an hour, 15, an hour, 20 minutes, so we'll see how it goes. Ready for the oven. I'm gonna spray a little thick olive oil on this, because what's gonna happen, I will cover this. Some people do at the beginning, some people don't, which is fine. And I'm gonna check it. Eventually I'm gonna remove the aluminum foil from it. And I'm gonna be careful to make sure it doesn't stick to the chicken, because I don't want all that nice seasoning coming out. So you just have to be careful with it. And this helps, you know, with the juiciness and making your roasted chicken kind of moist. And great, I managed to not let the aluminum foil actually touch the chicken. And I will check on it in the next 30-45 minutes to remove the aluminum foil. Checking on the chicken. That's really sounds good. Look at that. Okay, so I'm gonna put it back in the oven. And I'm gonna move it to the middle rack. Wow, it is almost ready. Well, you can have it like this, or if you want it broil. I'm just gonna put it on broil for like 2 minutes. Okay. Oh, really nice. Okay. It's ready. I decorated it with some parsley, fresh parsley. I also put some of the juices from the roasted chicken in it, and also pour some lemon juice. So I am gonna cut a piece of it. I do like dark chicken, so let me cut a piece of it. Look how juicy that is. That is nice. Very nice. It has a very nice flavor. It is juicy. I told you it was going to be juicy. You can see the juice. It is tender. Well seasoned. The skin is crispy. Yummy. I hope you try this recipe. I'm gonna have it with some salad today. You can also have the roasted chicken with salad, with rice, with potatoes, just by itself. Whatever your little heart desire. Again, give me thumbs up, because this is the best, juiciest oven roasted lemon garlic chicken. Please subscribe to my channel. It is free. Click on like. I would love to hear from you, so please comment. Helpful ones are greatly appreciated. Share with family and friends, and hit the notification bell to be the first to know when I drop my next video. Without further ado, thanks and let's get cooking.